Good morning, all of you. Are you able to hear me? Am I audible? Okay, tell me the last thing I've done in class. Okay, did I take any examples? Ring chain isomerism? Fine, so I have to start with stereoisomerism, correct? No, before that, did you complete the questions from exercise 1? Were you able to solve? Okay, what was the homework question? C5H8. The ring structures I told you all, or everything? Ring, open chain. Okay, ring derivatives. C5H8, if you calculate the double bond equivalent, it comes out to be 2. So all the possibilities I'm writing. Double bond equivalent 2 means it could have 2 double bonds, or it could have one ring with one double bond, or it could have 2 rings, or it can have one triple bond. I have asked you to write down only those compounds having 2 rings, correct? Two rings, or I just gave you total ring structures, I told you. All ring structures. All ring structures will also include this. Okay, fine. So we'll write compounds with 2 rings and also compounds with one ring and one double bond, which fit in this molecular formula of C5H8. Okay, I told you all open chain also. Fine, fine. Yes, I remember. Then I told you all to write the open chain also. Fine, let me write the open chain ones first. I think these all I can write with 2 double bonds. Anything else possible? No, I think these are the ones. Now I'll write this. I finished. Now I'll write compounds with triple bond. Okay, these are only the possibilities with triple bond. Now I'll go for the ring system. First, I'll take one ring with one double bond. I think these are the ones with one ring and one double bond. So now I'll go for the last part, that is two rings. These are two rings. Anything else you could think of? I think these are the ones. So total I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many y'all got? Why no one is answering? How many y'all got? Okay, 20, 21. Anything I have missed? Okay, 19. Anything which I have missed? I don't think. Did you all finish writing these? Yeah, Aisha, I'm discussing the exercise one now. I'm proceeding to exercise one now, fine? All of you might have written by now. Okay, one more thing. Do you have this module of yours in the PDF form? Because I'm having the mains wala module. Anyone has the module in the PDF of this module?
I'm checking.
Okay. I think part A is same for y'all and mains, but part B, I think y'all have some more questions.
नहीं मैम आइसोमेरिज्म का पीडीएफ नहीं है.
ओके ठीक है, तो लास्ट के आई थिंक 2-3 पेजेस है ना, उसका मुझे आई विल शो इट टू यू. आपको उसका है ना मुझे ये भेजना पड़ेगा. देखो ये सब क्वेश्चंस तो आपको भी हैं. 32 तक आई थिंक है. आपको कितने दिए हुए हैं और क्वेश्चन? You all have more, I think. Okay, after 32 you have part B. And 10 questions in that. So let us first complete this. Then we'll see how to go about. I'll tell you. You'll have to share those pages. Or I can allow the screen share. One of you can share if you want. Okay, first question. Only one answer correct. C100H202 will be an alkane. CnH2n plus 2 hai ye. What type of isomerism can an alkane show?
Position and chain.
Yes, that's all. Metamerism is not possible because functional group is not there. Functional isomerism also won't be possible. And tautomerism also won't be possible. Question 2. How many primary amines for this? Did you get the answer as 14? I think I've done this in class. No? You want me to do it now? Did all of you get it? Okay. So let us go to the third question. Total number of benzene derivatives, isomeric ethers. Okay, Pranav, I will solve it. Fine. I'll solve the second question. You want primary amines and molecular formula is C8H11N. Benzene derivatives means one benzene ring has to be there. In all, there are 8 carbon. Out of those 8, 6 are there in benzene. So you have remaining 2 more carbon. So both those carbon, you can write them together as an ethyl group with NH2 lying on one of the carbon. This is a primary amine, what I'm writing. This is also a primary amine. So these are the primary amines with the molecular formula C8H11N. How many I could write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Pranav, you're writing or taking screenshot? Okay, write fast then.
मैम PDF मिल गया. Should I share it on the group?
Yeah, please.
हम सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज का चाहिए ना.
हाँ हाँ बस. Okay, now moving to the next question. How many total number of benzene derivatives? Ethers you are supposed to write with the molecular formula C8. अब benzene में 6 carbon हो गए. 2 carbon more have to be written because there are total 8 carbon. So I could write ether like this. I could write an ether like this. So total I could write is 5. All of you got these? Okay. Can I clear it? Okay, next question. Question 4. How many structural isomers could be obtained from the molecular formula C2FClBrI? If I see here, there are 4 halogens. 4 halogens to calculate double bond equivalent. I will replace these 4 halogens by 4 hydrogen. That will give me the molecular formula C2H4. So double bond equivalent here will come out to be 1. That means the molecule will have 1 double bond. Ring तो possible नहीं है क्योंकि 2 कार्बन के बीच में ring नहीं हो सकता है. Now you have a fluorine, you have a chlorine, you have a bromine, and you have an iodine. This is one structure possible. Now in this carbon I have fluorine and chlorine. Instead I could have fluorine and bromine. Or I could also have fluorine and iodine. These are the 3 structural isomers for this compound. Naming देखो अलग अलग है. This is 1 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 fluoro, 1 iodo, ethene. This is 1 bromo, 2 chloro, 1 fluoro, and 2 iodo, ethene. 1 bromo, 1 chloro, 2 fluoro, 2 iodo, ethene. Anything else possible? What if I switch these two? Will the IUPAC name change? What if I interchange these two? The IUPAC name will remain same, no? Those are stereoisomers, what I'm talking. When I take iodine here and Br here, they are stereoisomers. They are not structural isomers. Okay. So structural isomers I can get here are only 3. Did all of you understand this?
Ma'am, I send the PDFs on the group.
Okay, okay. Oh, you had to do so much. Okay, you sent.
Sorry, ma'am.
You had to do so much, I'm saying.
No, ma'am. I just downloaded and sent it again.
Yeah, but then. Thanks, Disha.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Chalo, let me take the next one. Fifth question. Only two structurally isomeric monochloro derivatives are possible for. Okay. Now for solving such type of questions, you have to look into the options and rule out the options. There is no other way. Okay. Look at the options and rule out the options. First, let me take N-pentane. Yes, answer is D for this question. But let me explain for all. If I take N-pentane, monochloro derivative. Monochloro means you have to introduce one chlorine to this. You have to replace one of these hydrogen by chlorine. So how many monochlorinated derivatives it will give? If I replace this hydrogen by chlorine, I'll get one chloropentane. Even if I replace this hydrogen by chlorine, I'll get one chloropentane. Am I right?
There can be 1 chloro, 2 chloro, and 3 chloro.
Very good. Yes, there can be one chloro, two chloro, and three chloropentane. So how many derivatives is this giving me? This is giving me three derivatives, monochloro derivatives. Okay. So this is not my answer because I want two monochloro derivatives. I'll do for the B option as well. It is 2, 4. Dimethyl pentane. Now again monochlorination means you have to replace one of the hydrogen by chlorine. If I replace this hydrogen, this one or this one by chlorine, can I say that will give me the same product?
Yes.
All of you agree to that?
Here again 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Yes. Okay. So this also is giving me three monochloro derivatives. So this is also not my answer. Coming to toluene now. Toluene is this compound. Benzene with a methyl group. If I introduce chlorine here, I can get chlorine here. Or I could get chlorine on the ortho position, meta position, and I could have chlorine on the para position as well. So how many isomers am I getting here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is giving me 4. So this is also not my answer. Now let me take the last one, that is 2,3-dimethyl butane. This on monochlorination. Chlorine coming here, 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 or here. The product form will be same. And then chlorine coming here or here. Again, that will be the same. So this gives me two monochloro derivatives on monochlorination. So your answer will be option D. Is there anyone who's not understood this? Can I clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, you have not understood or you want me to wait? Okay, okay. Okay. Fine. Next question. How many structural isomers of tertiary amines corresponding to molecular formula C6 H15N? Now, first you calculate the double bond equivalent for this.
1.
No, it will come out to be 0. No, for nitrogen, what are you supposed to do? Remove one hydrogen. No?
Yes, C14, correct. 0.
So C6H14 double bond equivalent will be 0. That means the molecule is saturated without any double bond, without any triple bond, without any ring. Okay. So 6 carbon atoms and it's a tertiary amine.
मैम मेरा हमेशा ब्रांच्ड कार्बन चेन में मिस्टेक हो जाता है.
Okay, I'll tell you a trick now. इस साइड मैंने कितने कार्बन रखे हैं?
4.
हाँ, तो 4 कार्बन में देखो, 4 कार्बन में 2 चेन्स पॉसिबल है, एक एन ब्यूटेन का और एक आइसो ब्यूटेन का. करेक्ट?
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो ये 2 चेन्स याद रखना. पहले ये ले लो एन वाला, इसमें तुम्हारा अमाइन यहां लगा लो और फिर बाद में अमाइन यहां लगा लो. समझा ये?
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो पहले मैंने अमाइन यहाँ रखा. देखो ये फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर, टर्शरी अमाइन को मैंने इस कार्बन पे रखा. फिर नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर में टर्शरी अमाइन को यहाँ पर रखा. अगर यहाँ पर कर दिया तो कैन आई से इट विल बी सेम लाइक व्हेन आई केप्ट इट हियर? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
नहीं मैम, एक बार फिर से बताओ ना.
देखो, अच्छा, अगर मैंने इधर एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस किया क्लोरीन से, तो क्लोरीन 1 क्लोरो हो जाएगा वो.
यस मैम.
यहाँ पर एक क्लोरीन लिया तो 2 क्लोरो हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
यहाँ पर क्लोरीन रिप्लेस करूं या यहाँ पर क्लोरीन, सेम ही होगा ना,
2 ही रहेगा, यस।
समझा? सेम वे अगर यहाँ पर क्लोरीन ले लिया तो दैट विल बी सेम एज दिस वन ना, जहाँ पे 1 क्लोरो यहाँ पर था.
यस मैम।
So this can have 2 positions. One is this and the other is this. This is clear?
यस।
Then take iso. Iso में you can place the functional group here on this carbon. Placing it here, here or here. Can I say it would be same?
यस।
That will be one form and the other form will be when placing it on this carbon. Got it?
नहीं मैम, मतलब ऐसा आइसोब्यूटेन का स्ट्राइक ही नहीं होता है. आई मेक द स्ट्रेट चेन, बट देन आई डोंट थिंक दैट दैट्स आइसोब्यूटेन आल्सो पॉसिबल.
Okay. अगर ये पेंटेन होता तो कितने चेन्स बनाते आप? पेंटेन के कितने चेन्स पॉसिबल हैं?
3.
हाँ, अब ये है एन पेंटेन, ये है आइसोपेंटेन और ये है नियोपेंटेन. Am I right?
यस मैम.
Okay, so first you need to know these 3 chains. Now you change the position of the group, functional group. I could place functional group on this carbon. Can I say this carbon or this carbon? It will be same.
यस, स्ट्रेट एन पेंटेन में 1 2 3 मिलेगा.
हाँ, इसमें कितने मिलेंगे? 1 2 3. फोर्थ में यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे सेम हो जाएगा.
Yes,
This and this will be same. So this will give me 4 position isomers. This will give me only 1. How 1? Say chlorine, if I take chlorine coming here, here, here or here, will it matter?
no,
All are
it
same.
will
No?
not.
So this will give me only 1 isomer. Got it? So you have to take 5 carbon hai to ye 3 chains mein you have to then adjust the positions for the functional group. That makes things more simpler. Fine?
Yes, मैम, नोट कर लिया.
ठीक है. तो ये टर्शरी अमाइंस सारे समझ में आ गए? कितने मिले मुझे? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. I got 7 tertiary amines. Can I proceed? I will copy this. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Seventh question. Which type of isomerism is observed between the structure 1 and structure 2? Sulfur is bonded to this ethyl group and oxygen is bonded to cyclohexyl. Here, oxygen is bonded to ethyl and sulfur is bonded to that cyclohexyl. So what type of isomerism is this?
Metamerism.
Yes, alkyl groups are different on either side of the functional group. So they form a pair of metamers. Have all of you understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm proceeding ahead.
मैम, 8 वाला नहीं आया.
हाँ, I'll teach you. Okay. How many alkynes will give you 3-chloro-3-ethyl pentane? This is the product. 3-chloro-3-ethyl pentane. This is the final product. I have to find out the reactant. Okay. Now this, I'll just tell you what is happening. You have an alkyne. That alkyne adds hydrogen. When alkynes add hydrogen, what product is obtained? Alkane? Yes or no?
Yes.
So alkynes on catalytic hydrogenation give you alkane. So alkane is formed.
Alkene नहीं बनेगा.
नहीं, अल्कीन बनाने के लिए और तरीके होते हैं. यू कैन नॉट यूज कैटालिटिक हाइड्रोजनेशन. कैटालिटिक हाइड्रोजनेशन यूज किया है मतलब पूरा सैचुरेटेड हो जाएगा वो. फाइन.
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो अल्केन वहां पर फिर पॉइजन कैटलिस्ट यूज करना पड़ता है. यहाँ पर पॉइजन नहीं दिया हुआ है. पॉइजन होता तो अल्कीन होता. But here they are simply giving you catalytic hydrogenation. So the product is alkane. Now this alkane on chlorination is giving you 3-chloro-3-ethyl pentane. So this product has been obtained from the chlorination of this alkane. That means if I remove the chlorine from here, can I say I'll get the alkane? Did you understand what I said? If I remove this chlorine from here, I'm going to get this alkane. Now this alkane, if I treat it with chlorine, I'm going to get this product. This part all of you have understood. I'm tracing the path backwards. I'm going from the product now to the reactant. Okay. Now this alkane, ये alkane है ये. This has been obtained by hydrogenation of alkyne. That means I'm adding hydrogen to an alkyne to get this. That means I'll have to have a triple bond here. Triple bond, I can place it here. This alkyne, if I add hydrogen, I'm going to get this alkane, which on chlorination will give me 3-chloro-3-ethyl pentane. This part all of you have understood? Okay. Is there any possibility of any other position where I could place this triple bond?
मैम सेकंड वाले पे, between the second and third.
This one?
Yes, then that hydrogen which is there, it will go on the first carbon.
My dear, how are you going to form 5 bonds on carbon?
No, ma'am, can I use the pen to show?
Yeah, wait, I'll have to allow you annotation. 1 minute. Okay.
मैम डिसेबल हो गया.
अच्छा, उल्टा कर दिया मैंने. रुको रुको. Okay, this on hydrogenation is going to give you what? Okay, how many bonds you are making to that second carbon?
Oh no, 5. Sorry.
So is that possible?
No.
Anywhere else you could place the triple bond?
No.
So how many alkynes? Can I say this is the only
Just
alkyne?
one.
Yeah, this is the only alkyne, which on hydrogenation would give you this, and this on chlorination will give you this. Did all of you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others? Oh. Can I clear it off? Okay, write it right.
Ma'am, what is optical isomerism?
Optical is stereo. I'll be doing under stereo. Vedant completed. Okay. Molecular formula C6H14O. C6H14O corresponds to the formula CnH2n plus 2O. So what functional groups are possible here? You'll be able to
Ether
write.
and ketone.
No. Aldehydes and ketones have a general formula of CnH2nO. उनमें एक pi bond होता है ना aldehyde ketone.
Yes, ma'am.
So CnH2n plus 2O is alcohol and ether. What type of isomerism is possible between alcohols and ethers?
All.
Yes. I'll give you examples.
हमने वो मैम बनाया था ना 1 and 3 correlation, 2 and 3 correlation.
Which is this type of isomerism?
Position.
Yeah. So alcohols can show position. Even ethers can show position. These are position isomers. Am I right? Then chain isomerism is possible again in alcohol as well as ether. Which isomerism is this? What I have written? This is chain, no? Huh. So chain isomerism is also possible. Functional. This one and this one are what type of isomers? They are functional group isomers. So all of these are possible. So C6H14O, you can write alcohols and ethers, which will show functional, chain, metamerism. In other words, all of these. Ethers में देखो metamerism भी होता है ethers. If I take this ether and if I take this ether, these are going to be metamers. Fine. Okay, next question, 10th one. Again, C5H12O is CnH2n plus 2O. Again, I'll be able to write alcohols and ethers with this formula. Did all of you understand this question? Okay, I'll give you one question now. Molecular formula C2H6O will show position isomerism, metamerism, functional isomerism, chain isomerism. I'll give you one more option as all of these.
Only functional.
Very good. Though this is CnH2n plus 2O, You can write an alcohol and ether using this, but that alcohol and ether will have 2 carbons each. 2 carbon में position possible नहीं होगा, metamerism भी possible नहीं होगा ether में, ना ही chain possible होगा. Okay, so here the answer will be only functional because carbon 2 ही है ना, और carbon अगर 2 हैं तो it will be only functional which will be possible between, you will be able to write only one alcohol and one ether using this molecular formula. Is that clear? So be बोलते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, wait I forgot only. हाँ, molecular formula जो दिया है, you have to be very careful because if they say C5 C6 तो सारे isomerism इसमें possible हो जाएंगे, but C2 में सारे नहीं होंगे ना, क्योंकि 2 ही कार्बन है. So be careful and then answer the questions. Give me the answer for the 11th one. Chain isomerism तो कहीं पर भी possible होता है.
All of these.
हाँ, 4 carbon minimum is required. After that, chain isomerism is possible in any compounds.
And same way we can say that 12th में A रहेगा.
क्या?
12th will be A because minimum 4 तो चाहिए.
हाँ. 3 carbon you cannot have chain isomerism. I think 13th भी हो गया होगा. 2 pentene they have given. This is 2 pentene. You just have to count the number of sigma bonds and the number of pi bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? 5 bond तो एक ही है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 sigma and 1 pi. Disha, now could you help me with the 14th question? How many carbon are there?
4.
So how many different chains I could write?
2.
Yes, one is N-butane and the other is?
Isobutane.
Primary amine है. Primary amine means I have to introduce an NH2 group.
तो मैम फर्स्ट वाले में 2 मिलेगा.
It will give you 2. It will give you 1 pentanamine and 2 pentanamine, correct?
सेकंड में भी 2 ही मिलेगा.
हाँ, second में भी 2 ही मिलेगा. NH2 coming here, here or here will be same. That is isobutylamine. And NH2 coming here, that is tertiary butylamine. So total 2 here and 2 here. So total will be 4. Got it?
Yes, मैम अभी समझ गया.
Okay, okay. Isomer of propanol. Propanol is aldehyde. General formula इसका CnH2nO. प्रोपेन का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है CnH2n+2 में आता है अल्केन. ये CnH2n+2O है. प्रोपेनॉल इज CnH2n+2O. खाली एसीटोन आता है CnH2nO. कीटोन है ना. So answer will be this. Did you understand? Acetone is also CH3COCH3. Molecular formula same आ रहा है. They are functional group isomers. Can I clear it off? Okay. Alkynes में already लिख चुकी हूँ. When I was doing that C5H8 I had given your homework, ना? All alkynes I wrote it today. एक तो ये होगा, एक ये होगा, एक ये होगा. Any other possibility? Can I place this methyl group on any of these carbon? This methyl group on any of these carbon? हाँ, why no, Aisha? What is wrong if I place the methyl group on any of these carbon? Yes, because carbon will then have 5 bonds, which is not possible. So these are the only structures possible. Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Isomers of propionic acid. Propionic acid is nothing but propanoic acid. 3 कार्बन है, 6 हाइड्रोजन है और 2 ऑक्सीजन है. आइसोमर्स का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम होता है. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये रूल आउट हो गया. इसमें कार्बन कितने हैं?
3.
3 कैसे हैं? 4 है ना. 2 इधर है, 1 इधर है, 1 इधर है.
Yes, 4.
ये भी रूल आउट हो गया. क्यों रूल आउट हो गया?
इसमें भी
टोटल
4
कार्बन.
है.
हाँ, ये भी रूल आउट हो गया. बता सकते हो क्यों रूल आउट हुआ वो?
इसमें 8 H है.
वेरी गुड. तो यही आंसर है. अब देख लो कितने कार्बन है.
3.
हाँ, ऑक्सीजन 2 है और हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं?
6.
इसमें भी 3 कार्बन है, 6 हाइड्रोजन है और 2 ऑक्सीजन है. ये दोनों एस्टर्स हैं और ये एसिड है. सो दे आर फंक्शनल ग्रुप आइसोमर्स. Was it not simple? Yes or no?
मैम बस ट्रिक्स आनी चाहिए.
हाँ, that is why I'm solving ना with you, ताकि you understand what I'm doing and how I'm getting the answers quickly. See, answers तो आपको आ जाएंगे. I'm very sure about that. धीरे धीरे you'll start learning, तो answers तो आपको आ जाएंगे. But then you should be able to solve it quickly. That is what is matters. Okay, next question. 18th one. Consider the following statements. Chain and position isomerism are not possible together. Is this true or false? If I have chain and position isomerism, what do I report?
Chain.
So I'm not supposed to take the position isomerism. Got it? So this is a true statement. Tautomerism is a chemical phenomenon which is catalyzed by acid and base. Have I done acid catalyzed and base catalyzed tautomerism?
Yes.
So this is also a true statement. Are tautomers metamers?
Not always.
No. Okay. Tautomers are functional group isomers?
Yes.
Yes. So this is also a true statement. So your correct answer is 1, 2, and 4. Just make a change over here. I have been telling them since so many years. This change is not being made. Okay. Can I proceed? Nineteenth question. Which among the compounds will show tautomerism? I'm writing the structures. 2,2-dimethyl propanol. Can this show tautomerism? What is the reason why it won't show? Very good. No alpha hydrogen. This doesn't have any alpha hydrogen. अगर यहाँ H होता तो वो migrate कर पाता यहाँ पर. No alpha hydrogen, so no tautomerism. 2,2-dimethyl, 1-nitropropane. This is 2,2-dimethyl, 1-nitropropane. Can this show tautomerism? Definitely yes. Pi bond भी है और alpha hydrogen भी है. तो इसका tautomer क्या होगा? This is the tautomeric form. इसको नाइट्रो फॉर्म बोलते हैं और इसको आइसोनाइट्रो. हैव आई डन दिस? नाइट्रो आइसोनाइट्रो, असी नाइट्रो भी बोलते हैं इसको. हैवंट आई डन दिस? क्लास में किया है या नहीं? Please reply. Haven't I done this in class?
Yes, ma'am, it is done.
हाँ. नाइट्रो एंड आइसोनाइट्रो. आइसोनाइट्रो या असीनाइट्रो बोलते हैं उसको. What about 2,4-pentane dione? तो इसका होगा tautomerism. 2,4-pentane dione is a beta diketone. इसका होगा कि नहीं tautomer? ये अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है. इसमें से एसिडिक वाला कौन सा है? ये वाला या ये वाला बीच वाला?
बीच वाला.
तो वो माइग्रेट करेगा ना. ये सेम एग्जांपल मैंने क्लास में आई हैव गिवन यू द इलस्ट्रेशन. इसमें एच बॉन्डिंग भी होता है, याद है? तो इसमें भी होगा tautomerism. नेक्स्ट इज बेंजोफिनोन. दिस इज बेंजोफिनोन. कैन बेंजोफिनोन शो tautomerism?
No.
हाँ, why no? Does it have any alpha hydrogen?
No.
No hydrogen. In fact, यहाँ वाले जो हाइड्रोजन है वो एसिडिक नहीं है और यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन है ही नहीं. So this also won't show tautomerism. So answer for this question will be option B and C. Yes, you can also say sp2 carbon atoms are present. So now let's proceed with tautomerism. अब जो सारे questions है वो tautomerism पे ही हैं शायद. Okay, let us see the 20th one. Option A. You have a carbon with 3 methyl groups and there's N double bond O. Can this show tautomerism? Why no?
There's no acidic hydrogen.
No alpha hydrogen. So this won't show. Let me take the next one. Can this show tautomerism? इसमें तो पाई बॉन्ड ही नहीं है. पाई बॉन्ड होना कंपलसरी है tautomerism के लिए. Okay, there is no pi bond. Let me take the next one. Can this show tautomerism?
No.
No alpha hydrogen, so no tautomerism. This will show?
Yes.
Okay. 20th, all of you have understood? Okay, now let us proceed to the 21st. Can this show tautomerism?
No.
It can, no? इसका acidic hydrogen ये वाला है. So what will happen? See, I am writing the structure again. This will come out as H plus. This will shift here to form a double bond. This will simultaneously shift here to form a double bond. This will shift out to form a double bond. This will move here and this H migrates here. Have I done the Heptard system with you?
Pentad and triad is done. Heptad, I don't know.
Tetrad भी नहीं किया है.
Tetrad भी किया है.
Ring chain किया है.
Ring chain isomerism is also done.
नहीं, ring chain tautomerism.
Or no.
Okay, that is remaining. Fine. This is a Heptard system. Why Heptard system?
It passes through 7 atoms in between. Like there
Yeah.
are 7 atoms between the two.
So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then moves to the 7th atom. This is the nitroso form. And this is the oxymino. Nitroso, oxymino, tautomerism have I done? Okay, this is an example of nitroso oxymino. Okay, Ojas says that ring chain tautomerism has been done.
Ma'am, I'll check once again then.
Sorry?
I'll check once again in the notebook.
Okay. So this will show tautomerism. What about this one? Is there any acidic hydrogen? हाँ, no acidic hydrogen. ये methyl group है. So no tautomerism here. This doesn't have any acidic hydrogen. No tautomerism. What about this one?
No acidic hydrogen.
This also doesn't have any acidic hydrogen. What you said?
No alpha hydrogen.
And no acidic hydrogen also. So 21st is done. Now I'm proceeding to 22nd. Okay, now this is the enol form already. You can change it into the keto form. I'm drawing the keto form for this. What will happen? This electron pair will shift here. This shifts here. H migrates here. So this is the keto form and that is the enol form. Can this show tautomerism? The same example I've done in class. Can this show tautomerism? Will this H migrate here, forming a double bond like this? Is that possible?
Yes.
Can you get the structure like this?
No.
Carbon will have to attain what hybridization?
SP, linear geometry.
Not going to be possible in a 6-membered ring, correct?
Yes.
So this cannot. Can this show tautomerism?
Yes, it can. No, it cannot.
Alpha hydrogen भी है. और पाई बॉन्ड भी है, क्यों नहीं होगा? ये उसका टॉटोमर है ना, सॉरी this is the tautomer of this. Got it or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What about this one? There's a alpha hydrogen. कीटोन है, वो एसिडिक होता है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कीटोन्स का, तो ये हो जाएगा उसका इनॉल, which is going to be stabilized by H bonding here. In fact, you can draw the enol here also. So this also will show tautomers. So the answer is A, C, and D. I think this part would have been difficult for all of you, correct? What I'm doing now.
Yes,
Haan,
ma'am.
I know. It's there every year, no? Because what students are going to find difficult, I already know. स्टार्टिंग में डिफिकल्ट लगता है, बाद में ठीक हो जाता है. अब जीओसी समझ में आता है कि नहीं आता है जीओसी?
हम पहले से much better है.
So that is what, no, because you practice na so much. The more you practice, the better it is for you. You need to do MS Chauhan. I have told you all already. I don't know what you are doing. 12th चालू हो जाएगा, टाइम नहीं मिलेगा बिल्कुल. Have I spoken to you about all this?
Sorry, ma'am. Have I?
Have I spoken about this earlier? Once your 12th begins, it will be very, very difficult for you because three what you say, tracks will be going on for chemistry. You might have done, I think, just 10, 12 chapters now, by now. Am I right? Chemistry में कितने किए हैं chemistry के chapters? 10-11 हुए होंगे ज्यादा में ज्यादा. 43 chapters are there in chemistry. All that is going to be done in 10th standard. And don't think that they are small chapters, they are huge chapters again.
मैम डर लग रहा है.
हाँ तो डरो. I feel you should. डर के मारे अभी पढ़ाई करो. डरना जरूरी है यहाँ पर, ऐसे है. पर खाली डर से काम नहीं चलेगा. You have to study. फिजिक्स का काइनेमैटिक्स हो गया.
Yes, ma'am. Long back.
और उसके बाद क्या चालू किया?
अभी रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स चालू है एंड हीट एंड थर्मो चालू है.
ओके. सो आई थिंक फिजिक्स वो होता है, मतलब फिजिक्स के जो सिलेबस है वो सबसे कम है. मैथ्स और केमिस्ट्री तीनों का मिलाएंगे अगर, तो सबसे कम फिजिक्स का है. तो फिजिक्स आई थिंक जल्दी हो जाता है. बाय आई थिंक सितंबर अक्टूबर दे कंप्लीट फिजिक्स. सितंबर एंड में ही हो जाता है फिजिक्स. इवन मैथ्स आई थिंक यू विल बी कंप्लीटिंग बाय अराउंड अक्टूबर 15 तक हो जाता है मैथ्स. सबसे प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा आता है केमिस्ट्री में, बिकॉज सिलेबस इतना वास्ट है केमिस्ट्री का. वो नवंबर हो जाता है ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट. ऑर्गेनिक तो लास्ट लेक्चर तक चलने वाला है तुम्हारा. इट्स ह्यूज सिलेबस.
केमिस्ट्री का वेटेज ज्यादा है.
नहीं, वेटेज ज्यादा नहीं है, चैप्टर ज्यादा है. वेटेज का सबका इक्वल इक्वल वेटेज है ना फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में. पर केमिस्ट्री का सिलेबस बहुत वास्ट है. आई थिंक फिजिक्स में कुछ 35 चैप्टर्स आते हैं टोटल, 11 12th के मिला के. इवन मैथ्स इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 35 36 आई थिंक. सबसे ज्यादा चैप्टर्स केमिस्ट्री में आते हैं. Because chemistry is divided into 3 parts, no? You have physical, organic, and inorganic. And we have to cover all. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री कौन सा चैप्टर शुरू है अभी? इक्विलिब्रियम आई थिंक. हाँ, ionic
Yes,
equilibrium.
ma'am. Ionic equilibrium.
So with ionic equilibrium, I think your 11th standard syllabus would gets over. इसके बाद अच्छा थर्मो वगैरह हो गया, थर्मो गैसियस स्टेट. हाँ, तो केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम आल्सो डन. हाँ, so your 11th standard syllabus is coming to an end. After ionic, you'll be starting with 12th standard. Volumetric हुआ क्या? Volumetric.
नहीं अभी नहीं.
रिडॉक्स रिडॉक्स. अच्छा रिडॉक्स 11th का है. आई थिंक इसके बाद रिडॉक्स ही लिया जाएगा. Okay, let's go with the 23rd question now. Saad 11th standard syllabus should get over by March end. That is for your physics and maths, I think, and even physical chemistry. Physical chemistry तो अभी ionic equilibrium खत्म हो जाएगा तो redox ले लेंगे. I think March end तक हो जाएगा. But organic का जो 11th standard का है, that is going to get completed somewhere in April end. Then April के बाद May में I'll start with the 12th standard syllabus. Break, I think you'll get 3 days or 4 days, I think. 2 or 3 days. Maybe. It depends on your syllabus, कितना complete हुआ है. Okay, 23rd question I'm taking. Are these tautomers? How will you identify? ये कौन सा functional group है यहाँ पर? और ये कौन सा functional group है? Enol है ना ये enol. Why do I call this as enol? Because the OH is present on a carbon having double bond. Let me show it to you. देखो इसमें जो ये H है, ये acidic है. ये इधर शिफ्ट होगा, ये इधर शिफ्ट होगा, H माइग्रेट होगा, and you'll get the enol form. Is this the enol? Are these same? हाँ, so this is the keto-enol tautomerism. All of you understood this first one? A1. Enol means the carbon having the OH should have a double bond. That is enol. So these are keto-enol tautomers. What about इसमें एक comma इधर है. Are these tautomers? This is the keto form. Is this the enol? Is this one an enol? Yes, this is not an enol. Because the carbon with the cannot be tautomers. Okay? क्योंकि अगर इसमें keto है तो इसमें enol होना चाहिए. These are simply functional group isomers. They are not tautomers. They are not interconvertible. Okay? Are you understanding how I'm solving? Yes or no? Okay. Now moving to the question C. C तो isomers ही नहीं है. क्यों कह रही हूं मैं ऐसे? देखते हैं. इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट बताओ मुझे. Give me the double bond equivalent of this structure. There are 3 rings. And how many pi bonds?
10.
हाँ, so double bond equivalent 10 है. इसका double bond equivalent बताओ.
9.
So they cannot be isomers. Okay. डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट ही अलग है. 9 कैसे हुआ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 है ना. डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट इज 11. देयर आर हाउ मेनी पाई बॉन्ड?
ऑक्सीजन तो कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे ना हम.
नहीं, बट पाई बॉन्ड तो है ना उसका. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड अ हाइड्रोजन फॉर ऑक्सीजन, बट पाई बॉन्ड्स इफ यू काउंट, हाउ मेनी टोटल पाई बॉन्ड्स आर देयर इन द मॉलिक्यूल?
तो अगर ऑक्सीजन होगा हमको तो भी पाई बॉन्ड काउंट
ऑक्सीजन
करना
के लिए
है.
हम H ऐड नहीं करते हैं, am I right?
यस मैम.
हाँ, but here I'm not using the molecular formula. I'm just asking you the total double bond equivalence present. How do you get the double bond equivalence? By adding the rings and the pi bonds. No?
Yes ma'am.
So rings are 3 and pi bonds are how many? 8. 8 pi bonds. So 11. इसमें देखो 2 H एक्स्ट्रा है ये वाला. इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट 10 है, इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट 11. So they are not isomers. They are not isomers. Give me the double bond equivalent here.
2.
Double bond equivalent here.
1.
They are not isomers. So only this is your answer. इनका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट सेम है. They are isomers. But then they are only functional group isomers. They are not tautomers. Because ये कीटो है तो इसका इनॉल होना चाहिए था. ये इनॉल नहीं है.
मैम ये 2 कंपाउंड है या एक ही कंपाउंड है, नहीं समझ रहा.
हाँ, टेल मी. कौन से 2?
द B1 कौन से 2 कंपाउंड्स है? मुझे आई थॉट दिस इज जस्ट वन कंपाउंड स्ट्रेट चेन पूरा.
This is a comma here. चेन कैसे हो सकता है? ऑक्सीजन के कितने बॉन्ड्स बनेंगे यहाँ पर? 2 ऑलरेडी है ना इस तरफ.
यस मैम.
They forgot to add that comma here and put a space also. Got it?
Yes ma'am.
So इसका आंसर खाली A है. Anyone not understanding, please ask. Remember, isomer होने के लिए डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट सेम आना चाहिए, तो ही वो आइसोमर्स हो सकते हैं. सारे आइसोमर्स का डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट सेम आता है. Okay? Let's move on to the 24th. Can this show tautomerism? Is there any acidic hydrogen? This compound is known as benzyl. No acidic hydrogen. So no tautomerism. Can this show tautomerism? This has na alpha hydrogen. It could shift either this side or this side, anywhere. If it shifts here, H will migrate here. There is H bonding also here. Enol form is quite stable. Conjugated भी है पूरा और H bonding भी है. So this shows tautomerism. अच्छा wait, they have asked which cannot show tautomerism. Cannot show में option A आएगा. This can show. What about C option? Can this show tautomerism? No, because no alpha hydrogen. So this is my answer. What about this one? Can this show tautomerism? You have a carbon with 3 chlorine. Is there any alpha hydrogen here? So this also cannot show tautomerism. Can this show tautomerism? इसका एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन कौन सा है? Give me the acidic hydrogen here.
CH2 वाला.
नहीं, ऑक्सीजन वाला है ना. तो ये H+ की तरह निकलेगा. जब ये H+ की तरह निकलेगा तो ऑक्सीजन पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा? O will get what charge? Negative, yes. So negatively charged oxygen will attack this carbon. It will shift its pi bond. What charge will develop here?
Negative.
So that H+ will migrate. Which type of tautomerism is this?
Ring chain
Very
tautomerism.
good. Yes, ring chain tautomerism. So last one also shows tautomerism. It shows ring chain tautomerism. So these are the 3 compounds which will not show tautomerism. Did all of you understand this question? 24th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just finish writing first. Okay, one more thing. If you are just studying with the help of screenshots, it is going to be very difficult for you later. Are you writing down everything what I'm doing? You need to write down.
Exercise, whatever I am not getting, I am writing down.
Okay. And what about the notes? What when I do it in the class?
I make all the notes. Like sometimes in class, if I'm not writing, I copy down after watching the recording.
Okay, okay. But then you have to make a notebook and write everything. Huh?
Wow.
If you don't write organic, you will not be able to answer a single question. Did you all finish with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 25th one. Which of the following has most acidic hydrogen? You have 3 hexanon. I'm writing the structures. This you should be able to answer. It's a GOC question. Then you have 2,4-hexane dione. 2,5-hexane dione. And you have 2,3-hexane dione. सबसे ज्यादा एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन किसमें है? Yes, why B has the most acidic hydrogen? Can I say when this goes out as H+, the negative charge is resonance stabilized on either side. So the answer will be option B. Yes, there is cross conjugation here. बाकी सारों में conjugation है, but this has cross conjugation. Yeah, it is resonance stabilized on either side. Did you all understand this? Okay, I'm proceeding ahead with 26th now. Okay. This is the compound given and this. What type of isomerism is there between 1 and 2? देखो 1 में ऐसे लिख रही हूँ बराबर से. I'll show you the pi bonds also. and the second one I'm writing it like this. Are these tautomers? What functional group here? C double bond O is keto group. What functional group here? Is it an enol? So are they tautomers? ये देखो ये वाला H माइग्रेट हुआ है, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ है, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ है और H माइग्रेट हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड बना है और ये OH हो गया. So these are tautomers. 1 and 2 are tautomers. Let us see the third one. कीटोन यहाँ है, कीटोन यहाँ पर भी है. इसमें ये एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप मतलब कीटो ग्रुप है. Is this an enol? No, this is not an enol. So can I classify these two simply as functional group isomers? They are not tautomers, correct? 1 and 3 are not tautomers. Similarly, 2 and 3 are also not tautomers because this is not an enol. Okay. Now 1 and 4. Is this an enol? ये कीटो है. Is this an enol? Is that compound an enol? Is the carbon having the OH has a double bond? So this is not an enol. So what type of isomerism between 1 and 4? 1 and 4. It is not keto enol. It is only functional group isomerism. Okay, because functional group अलग है इसका और इसका. ये अल्कोहल है और ये कीटोन है. ये enol नहीं है. Okay, so 1, 3 and 4 are functional isomers. What about 1 and 2? 1 and 2 are tautomers. Let us compare now 3 and 4. Are 3 and 4 positional isomers? They are functional isomers. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are 1 and 4 tautomers? No, 1 and 4 are functional isomers. 4 is not an enol. इसमें चाहे कीटो है, but this is not an enol. So they are functional isomers and not tautomers. So इसका आंसर होगा option A and B. Anyone not understanding, ask. I am proceeding ahead. Twenty-seventh is very, very simple. Who will give me the answer for 27?
C.
Yeah. 1 minute. I think I have a doubt coming up here. What's between 3 and 4? Okay, 3 and 4, I'll show it to you. 3 and 4 also will be functional, no? ये कीटोनिक ग्रुप है और ये एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है. ये अल्कोहल है, ये भी अल्कोहल है, बट ये कीटोन है, ये एल्डिहाइड है. Aldehyde and ketone will be functional group isomers. No, it's not position, it's functional. Okay. 27th का answer, Disha, you said it C. Why not A, B, D?
मैम सी में 3 इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स पॉसिबल है जो उसको बहुत स्टेबलाइज कर देंगे.
Okay. इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट बताओ.
4.
इसका बताओ।
6
7 है।
7
आर दे आइसोमर्स?
नो
इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट बताओ।
5
आर दे आइसोमर्स?
नो
इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट बताओ।
इसका भी 5
आर दे आइसोमर्स?
नो
इसका डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट बताओ।
4
डिड यू गेट दिस? समझा कि नहीं?
मैम मैं कहाँ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग देख रही थी।
वैसे स्टेबल तो तुमने कहा है एच बॉन्डिंग है इसमें, समझ ही नहीं है उसमें। हाँ, you all thought the long way around. Very good. पहले चेक तो करो कि आइसोमर है या नहीं है। फाइन।
क्वेश्चन ने बोल दिया स्टेबल कीटो आइसोमर, मतलब सब आइसोमर है।
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता है। ठीक है, यू हैव टू चेक वेदर देयर आइसोमर्स। मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ही अलग है इनका। इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला देख लो, कितने हैं, कितने कार्बन है? 6 कार्बन है। हाइड्रोजन भी 6 है।
C6H12O6
H12 कहाँ है?
नहीं H12 नहीं, वो तो फिर ग्लूकोज बन गया।
H तो 6 ही है ना यहाँ पर।
यस मैम।
अब इसका फॉर्मूला देख लो, इसमें H है ही नहीं। Does this have any hydrogen? This is C6O6. Is there any hydrogen in the molecule? Are you getting it what I'm saying? This doesn't have, देखो कार्बन के इधर 2 बॉन्ड इधर है, 2 बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन के साथ है. Will it have a hydrogen?
नो
So there is no hydrogen on any carbon. How could you compare also? Are they isomers? इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला देख लो, इसमें 6 कार्बन है, ऑक्सीजन 6 है, और हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4। देखने से ही मालूम पड़ जाता है। इसमें कार्बन 6 है, हाइड्रोजन खाली 2 है, और ऑक्सीजन 6 है। सो आर दीज आइसोमर्स? टॉटोमेरिज्म होने के लिए आइसोमेरिज्म तो होना पड़ेगा। 28th question. Which of the following has highest percentage of enol content in the liquid? Highest percentage of enol. I am writing down the enol. इसमें ये हाइड्रोजन एसिडिक है, तो ये उसका इनॉल होगा। इसके इनॉल में ऐसे एच बॉन्डिंग होगा यहाँ पे। इसका इनॉल देख लेते हैं। इसका एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ये है, इसमें भी एच बॉन्डिंग है, और ये कॉन्जुगेटेड भी है पूरा। इसका इनॉल और इसका इनॉल। इन दोनों के इनॉल कॉन्जुगेटेड भी है, एच बॉन्डिंग भी है। इसमें कॉन्जुगेटेड नहीं है, मतलब पूरा एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन नहीं है। इसमें एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन है, इसमें भी एक्सटेंडेड है, और एच बॉन्डिंग भी है दोनों में। तो ये दोनों इनॉल ज्यादा स्टेबल होंगे इन दोनों से। अब इन दोनों इनॉल में कैसे कंपेयर करूं? द ओनली डिफरेंस लाइज हियर। और एक मिथाइल यहाँ ज्यादा है, एक मिथाइल कम है। ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप है, एम आई राइट? रेजोनेंस से देता है इलेक्ट्रॉन. व्हाट डू इनॉल कंपाउंड्स, how are enols affected by the presence of electron donating group? What will happen to their amount?
reduces.
हाँ, so which will have a higher enol content? ऊपर वाला या नीचे वाला? हाँ, आंसर will be option B. वैसे तो ये भी डोनेट करेगा, but will this donate as much as NH2? NH2 is donating by resonance. तो जब ये रेजोनेंस से डोनेट करेगा, इसका डोनेटिंग एबिलिटी ज्यादा हो जाएगा CH3 से. That makes this one less stable than this. Okay, between A and C. हाँ, A वाला there is H bonding, C में H bonding नहीं होगा, ये बहुत दूर है ये दो ग्रुप्स, बीच में पूरा एक बेंजीन रिंग आ जा रहा है. Okay, so A will have a higher enol content than C. So इसका आंसर होगा B greater than D greater than A greater than C. Can I proceed? Did you all finish writing these enols? Okay, fine. Next question is not to be done now because racemizes मतलब racemic mixture, ये आता है optical isomerism. We'll be doing that later. इसका आंसर वैसे option B है. Okay, let us go for the 30th one, which will not show keto-enol tautomerism. Give me the answer for that. Yes, why is the answer option B? देखो यहाँ पर तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है नहीं और ये वाला अल्फा हाइड्रोजन माइग्रेट करेगा नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ ब्रिज हेड कार्बन पे sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन नहीं हो पाएगा, डबल बॉन्ड नहीं बन पाएगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो दिस H विल नॉट माइग्रेट और ये वाले कार्बन पे H है नहीं, तो इसमें टॉटोमेरिज्म पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? इसका टॉटोमर यहाँ से H जाएगा, यहाँ ये वाला, तो यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. ओके, इसमें तो ये वाला H यहाँ से भी जा सकता है इसके पास, इसमें ये वाला H माइग्रेट करेगा. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, I'm proceeding ahead. I'll be solving 31 and 32. Today I'll be completing these two and then आपका part A फिर खत्म हो जाएगा. Part B, I want you all to try it. Of course, I'll be solving it in the next class, but I want you all to try it. Okay? Because now I think you are a little in a better position. See this. Wait, I'll show it to you. डू नॉट रिप्रेजेंट ऑटोमर्स बोल रहे हैं। अच्छा, इसका और इसका कैसे हुआ? इसका एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ये है, ये H निकलेगा, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, साइमल्टेनियसली ये यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव। तो ये H प्लस इधर माइग्रेट करेगा। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? So these are tautomers. कौन सा सिस्टम है ये? पेंटार्ड सिस्टम मिलेगा ये। पेंटार्ड क्यों? H has migrated from this first atom, 1 2 3 4 5th atom पे गया है। So these are tautomers. H निकाल दो, रेजोनेंस करो उसका, रेजोनेंस से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ जब आएगा, यहाँ नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा, फिर ये H इधर माइग्रेट होगा। B option. Are these tautomers? They are in fact ring chain tautomers. इसका एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ये वाला है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड वाला, तो ये H प्लस निकलेगा, ऑक्सीजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा, दैट नेगेटिवली चार्ज ऑक्सीजन विल अटैक कार्बन, इसका पाई बॉन्ड शिफ्ट होगा और ये H इधर माइग्रेट करेगा, यहाँ पे रिंग बन जाएगा ऐसे। सो दीज आर रिंग चेन टॉटोमर्स। यहाँ पर एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ये है, ये H प्लस निकलेगा, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा, नेगेटिवली चार्ज नाइट्रोजन विल अटैक दिस कार्बन, pi bond will shift to oxygen and H will migrate there. So I'll get a ring being formed here. This is what they are tautomers. So this is tautomer, this is tautomer, this is tautomer. Are these tautomers? Vedant, what is your question? You're talking about which option? Option B. B में एनी, ये नेगेटिवली चार्ज ऑक्सीजन इसी कार्बन को अटैक करेगा ना, क्योंकि इसमें पाई बॉन्ड है। Okay, what do these two represent? This is what I get. Negative comes here. Can I say these are resonating structures? It is only migration of electrons. No atom is migrating. So these are resonating structures. So this is your answer for the question. Can I clear this off? Okay, now last question I'm taking up. More stable enol form. अच्छा, डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट चेक करो पहले, सबका सेम है। इसका कितना है? 2 रिंग है और 3 पाई बॉन्ड है, तो 5। 2 रिंग है, 3 पाई बॉन्ड है, तो 5। 2 रिंग है, 1 2 3 पाई बॉन्ड है, 5। 2 रिंग है, 3 पाई बॉन्ड है, 5। हाँ, तो दे आर ऑल आइसोमर्स। 2 रिंग है, 3 पाई बॉन्ड है, तो 5। दे आर ऑल आइसोमर्स। ओके, ये देखो, ये ब्रिज हेड कार्बन है, ये वाला। Can this bridgehead carbon attain the sp2 hybridization? Can this angle be 120? Can this carbon have all its angles to be 120 degrees? ये तो एक isosceles triangle है. Can this angle be 120? हाँ, so bridge head वाले कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है पॉसिबल. यहां पर भी ब्रिज हेड वाले कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड है. अब इन दोनों को कंपेयर करो. इन दोनों में इसमें दिस इज स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय एच बॉन्डिंग, जो इसमें नहीं है, तो ये वाला ज्यादा स्टेबल है. फाइन. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remaining questions I want you all to try. Fine. I'll be discussing those in the next class and finishing off, and then I'll start with stereoisomers. Fine. Chalo, now I'm ending the session. My next session is due now. Next class. Chalo, bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.